Hi there guys, welcome to WP Panel. In this video I'm going to take you through the dashboard settings. Now there's quite a few different settings that are available to you here in WP Panel, which are accessible on the side menu. Underneath the dashboard area here you've got WP Panel, and you've got dashboard, admin branding, front-end settings, menu manager, Google Analytics, login branding, login redirect, and settings. In this video, I'm going to take you through the dashboard settings here, so I'm going to leave the other ones for subsequent videos and take you through what is actually configurable in WP Panel. So first of all, if you navigate to the WP Panel settings, make sure you're on dashboard, which by default, it will select that straight away. And we're going to go through general. So here we have, well, by the way, this is quite self-explanatory. So as a developer and agency, you might be able to just work your way through this. But this video is for those that just want a bit more of an insight. So first of all, you can change the dashboard title. Okay, what's the main name on the dashboard? So we're going to change this to your website dashboard. I'm going to click Save down the bottom there. And we're going to click over to the dashboard, and you'll see straight away this has changed this text here. Okay. And navigate back. I'm going to run through this quite quickly. You can change your dashboard logo image. So if you want to change this logo image here, which also appears on the dashboard, you can change that. So I'm going to insert an image here. I'm not entirely sure what I've got, so let's just give me a second here while I find a logo. Always a way, isn't it? You're not prepared. Right, here we go. So I'm just going to use that one there, which is the logo for our parent company 146. I click choose image, save changes here, and that will appear in there as you can see. And if I go to the dashboard, that will also appear in there. Now the problem with that is you've got a red logo, orange background, so we need to change that. So this is where this comes in. So the dashboard title background color. So if I just change that to white, click Save Changes, that will then change to white there. Looks loads better. You do have the option here, by the way, if you don't want to include your logo in the header up here, you can include a Font Awesome icon. So you can put in the Font Awesome code here. So for example, FAB FA-Apple, and that should appear there. Now, if you're changing the background color here, just remember to change the dashboard title text color here. I'm just going to change that to black, and then you can change the accent text color as well. So this is used for things like subtitles. So I'm just going to change that to red. I'm going to click Save Changes there, and then this suddenly appears. If I go back to the dashboard, we've got this that appears here as well, and the accent color is that red there. Okay, so there we go. We've just customized it for 146 Media, which is the agency that that owns WP Panel. And now what 146 can do is install this on various client websites and have a nice white labeled back end. So that is the general tab of that, fairly self-explanatory. Now, if I just click on buttons. So what we have here is the ability to edit all of the buttons on the dashboard panel. So it's these buttons here, these ones here. Okay, so create edit blogs, create edit pages, etc., etc. So we're going to be able to edit all of those buttons here. So first of all, the same applies to every button. You have these 4 options. So first of all, do you want button 1 to be active? Yes or no? If you click no, it disappears. If I click save down the bottom there, and go back to the dashboard, see that's disappeared, and it's run stacked as 3 and 2 now. So it does stack it quite nicely. So I'm going to go back to the buttons. So let's add that back on. What we can do here is we can first of all change the Font Awesome icon. So if you visit the Font Awesome page, which you can click there to do so, you can take the Font Awesome code and just put it in there and create your own Font Awesome icon there. You can change the text, so let's just change that to view comments. And then you can change the link that goes through to. So if I wanted to them to visit this page here, okay, I would just copy that link there and I'd put it into there. and that's it done. So actually what we'll do is we'll find a better icon for comments. So speech maybe. There we go. So comments, it's just that one there. So if I do that, click Save Changes, you'll see how that will change. There we go, View Comments. Just gone into there, and if I click on that now, it will now go through to View Comments. Okay. So that is how you change the buttons. So that applies to every single button. You've got all the buttons down here. The only two I will raise awareness to is the ones down here. So your hosting panel and your contact the team. So the hosting panel. So for our parent agency 146, we allow some access to we allow some cPanel access to certain clients. So what we would do here is we would put in the cPanel access for those clients, just like that, and that will then navigate to that. You may or may not allow hosting. You may want to just knock that button off, or you might want to turn it into something else. You might find something more useful to turn that into. And then finally at the bottom here, you've got contact the team. Now, this is a standard HTML mail to piece of code here. So we would just change the email address there. So you just need to change that to what you want to change it to. And that will obviously then go through to whoever you want it to go through to. Okay. And then click Save Changes. And that is all done. Finally, you have the option to add in your own how-to videos. So we have taken quite a bit of time to create a series of videos. They're viewable on the download screen here, and also viewable in the all video resources and on our YouTube page. We will keep adding to those, but we are very aware that some clients are going to want to add in their own videos, of which you can do here. So you can see all of the videos that we've added are embedded here. If you wanted to add your own video, you can just do that here, and the top two will appear on the dashboard page. So if you want to do an introductory video, you can do, and just click Save Changes, and that will load onto there. So that's the dashboard setting panel, guys. Thank you for listening. Any questions, please direct it to our support page, and we will come back to you as soon as we can. Thank you. Bye-bye.